embrace technology. Now, when I was brand new in real estate, it was 1984, okay? Many of you were not born then, okay? So cell phones were brand new. So I bought the first car phone. It was actually attached to the car with a cord like a regular phone. So it cost $3,500 for that car phone. The car it was attached to might have cost $1,500, I don't know, but it was ridiculous. And each call was about $40.15, I think. Well, then they came out with a big portable, cell phone, this giant thing that you could beat somebody to death with late at night in a parking lot. It was $1,700 for that phone. Then they came out with a slimmer version of that would actually fit in your pocket. That was about $1,000. The funny thing about today is every technology is free and everybody's got it 10 minutes after it's invented. So you cannot compete with technology anymore. So you want to compete by having fewer technologies and only the ones that make a difference. So the phone, obviously, great technology, they keep improving it. There's never going to be a replacement for the phone, okay? You being really good on the phone is going to be your secret to success in this industry. And GPS, what a wonderful invention. We used to have maps in the car. We have to figure out where to go. So that's a good thing. But in a CRM, right? You got to have a database where you keep your stuff and that kind of stuff. So the basics that are usable and not getting bogged down in technology is going to be one of the secrets to your success. So here's what I would like you to do. Over the course of these videos, I want you to think about simplifying your life, focusing on what really, really matters. So what really, really matters is you knowing what to say when you go on a listing presentation and you're meeting face-to-face with the seller, you knowing what to say when the seller is a for sale by owner, you knowing what to say about pricing, how to price them correctly, how to estimate the value of a house. Every realtor does that wrong. We teach you a completely different way of doing that, and we're going to talk about all of that stuff. You doing things differently than all other agents. Knowing what to say when you meet with a buyer, getting that buyer to agree to be loyal to you, sign the buyer-broker agreement before you ever search the MLS or show a single house. You knowing what to say to an investor. And I'm not talking about fix and flippers. I'm talking about real investors with real money that are going to buy and hold properties. When you know what to say in those situations, so we teach you listing, pricing, FSBO, buyer, investor presentations, how to present offers to people. You're going to be learning all of that as a fearless agent. So until the next video, I want you to focus on the basics. I want you to be committed. I want you to be obsessed. And I want you to get your skills, your schedule, and your systems right. And I want you to feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810. And let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent Coaching, because if you are, you're going to get rich. And if you're not, I'm still going to help you either way. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.